दो बहनों का इमेज,
We've not met.
दो बहनों का
few days.
अड़पा प्यार देखिए, इसको पता नहीं
होना भी चाहिए.
Just a few days back, at a recently held fashion show in Mumbai, Priyanka Chopra and her sister Parineeti were seen meeting each other in a way that they had met after ages. And now let's listen to why they met in that manner.
Sweetest moment was when you and Parineeti went in this long hug, and then Karan gave like a jibe there. But no, it's really, you all haven't met for quite some time?
No, she's been shooting in Jodhpur for her next film, and I have been shooting in Calcutta, so we haven't met for a bit, so that's why.
But looks like Priyanka's love for Parineeti suddenly disappeared, as buzz was that Priyanka gave a miss to Parineeti's National Award party in spite of inviting her. If sources are to be believed, before Parineeti took the National Award, Priyanka had apparently promised her that she would be a part of the ceremony. But later, Priyanka only sent her mom for the occasion. And that's not all. Priyanka did not even attend the party, which was thrown for more than 70 people. And after this, buzz has started that hope it's not the competition factor that has come in between the two sisters, even though Parineeti has always disagreed about competing with her sister.
I think I'm foolish if I say that she's 10 years ahead of me यार. वो मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा आगे. ना मैं पागल हूँ, ना मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं उसको ओवरटेक करूँ या मैं उसको बीट करूँ. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेहतरीन एक्ट्रेस है. I can only learn from her. I have no intention of crossing her यार.
Well, but what could be the reason for Priyanka not being a part of Parineeti's National Award function and the grand celebration party? Now, one thing's for sure, that it has raised a lot of doubt. Well, we hope it's not because Priyanka's film Barfi did not win a national award.
She got a national award. You must have been ecstatic. Though there was stories. I mean, you must be a little upset about the fact that Barfi didn't get it.
No, I was very upset about the fact that Barfi didn't get it. But I mean, I'll be stupid if I'm saying I wasn't. I think Barfi was a very deserving film, and for whatever, I mean, every jury has their own reasons to do whatever they did. And you know, anything to be acknowledged of Barfi would have been great.
Although Priyanka is happy that if not her film, then at least her sister won the award.
I was very happy that Tisha got a special mention. Hopefully over the years we'll have awards and all also. But even like for your second film, to get a national award special mention is a really big deal.
Well, but Priyanka's absence from the party only makes us wonder if all is really well between the Chopra sisters. And even just a few days back, when news came out about Parineeti being the reason behind Priyanka's casting in Gunde, then Priyanka was really miffed with the news. Now, is her absence at the function because of her anger, catfight, or simply her busy schedule is something only Priyanka can tell us. But one thing's for sure, that Priyanka's dear sister Parineeti would have definitely felt bad, who always has a lot of good things to say about Priyanka.
पहले दिन से वो मुझे बोलती थी तू नौटंकी है तो हीरोइन बनने वाली है एक दिन. एंड ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से प्लीज दीदी, मतलब आपको भी पता है, जस्ट डोंट लाइक दिस. तो जिस दिन मैंने उसको फोन किया था और बोला था लिसन आई हैव गॉट दिस ऑफर फ्रॉम यशराज, आई वाज एक्साइटेड ना. शी तो आई एम नॉट इवन सरप्राइज्ड. सो शी मुझे तो पता था तू हीरोइन बनने वाली है. See, our relationship is still the same. मैं अभी भी उसके कबर्ड से जाके कपड़े लेती हूँ. वहीं जाके मुझे हर रोज संडे हर रोज बताना पड़ता है मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. शी ऑलवेज कीप्स अ चेक ऑन मी. बड़ी बहन और छोटी बहन का जैसे रिलेशन होता है यार, वैसे ही है. बस अब हम दोनों एक्ट्रेसेस हैं तो हम एक्टिंग की बातें ज्यादा करते हैं बस.